Today we have a lot of animals. The first one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a hen. This is a hen.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next one is a camel. This is a camel.
And on his farm he had
A zebra. This is a zebra.
here and a there,
A zebra.
everywhere.
The next one is a dog. This is a dog. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness.
With a here and a there.
The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. A tiger. This is a tiger.
Old MacDonald had
The next one is a lion. This is a lion.
He had some ducks.
The next one is
With a
a rooster. This is a rooster.
Old MacDonald had a
The
farm.
next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is elephant. This is elephant.